Check out this 2014 GMC Terrain SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: driver illuminated vanity mirror, cruise control, climate control, driver vanity mirror, power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, and power outlet. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.